Hey you guys, let me show you how to do a simple wooden cross. And it only have 3 different pieces in it. I went and had a look at my scrap pile and found these 2 mahogany pieces. Well, let's be honest, it's not really my scrap pile. It's more like a failed project pile or wrong cut pile. I think that's more accurate. Yeah. But let's plane these down to 25 by 25 mil or 1 inch by 1 inch. Now I've moved on to the circular saw and we've got 3 pieces to cut. They're all on a 45-degree angle and measurements are mentioned here below. For the assembly, I'm just using Titebond 2 and some CA glue, thick version. So let's do it. We'll start with the bottom part here. Just press them together and hold. Titebond 2. Gluing is all done, let's do a bit of sanding and then the surface treatment. There you go, we're all done. That was a quick and easy project. And please do hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.